Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay. Uh Good day. All right, today we are going to be discussing a new strategy that you can use to trade the boom and crash successfully. You can use it to scalp, you can use it to swing trade. Okay, so after this video I will recommend you to backtest it on demo account before you go to your real account. Okay, and remember to watch the video to the very end so you don't miss any tip, any words. All right. Okay, now before we get started, please if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so that you get notified once a new video is released. All right, today this is a strategy that you can use to make the market successfully, and you don't need to be afraid of the market when you have entered it. All right, now on the last video I did on the belly system, I got a complaint that the voicing is not good. Okay, I will do a video on that, but maybe not now, or maybe in a few days now I will do a video on that aspect. So if you still need the belly system, okay, that is a very powerful indicator. You need the belly system. Okay, I gave 5 days for the discount of 80%, so you can actually get it right now. Check on this description, you will see the link to my profile. Okay, it's 2 days to go right now, and you can be one of the beneficiary at this moment. Okay guys, now let's get to work. Remember to comment on the video, share the video, give us a thumbs up, like the video and all that. Now this is the strategy we're going to be using. This is the one we're going to be using. Okay, that is the one we are going to be using today. So how does it work? How does it work, guys? Now this works on the principle of the crossover. All right, the ones on the main chart is not part of the strategy. It's a different one I'm testing right now, and I will get back to you guys once I have proved it working. Okay, all right, now this is how this setup works. This is what we look at to take trade on it. First of all, you ask me about the zoom level and all that, and I will just say from the lowest, this is the lowest zoom level. Okay, that is the lowest zoom level. You can zoom it out once. Actually, you can use any zoom level of your choice, but I like to analyze on the lowest zoom level. Okay, and then come up to the next zoom level to verify my entry. All right, now how do we enter the market? First of all, let me show you the settings for the setup. Now let us go to the settings. All right, now we'll click on the F button. If you are new to this setup, click on the F button here. And F button, we are looking at the first indicator here. We have the average directional movement index. Click on that and we'll have something like this. This is the settings. The period is 50, and the styles, you could see the styles have here. The style is my background color. The minus D is my background color. Then the plus D is what I put color. You can choose any color that you like. Okay, now on the levels, we have the levels of 0, the level of 5, 10, 20, 35, 0, 0, and you can choose any color of your choice and you click on done. Okay, now the next stuff in that place is the moving average. The moving average is period is 10, shift is 0, simple is the method, apply to close, and the color is 3 pixel. Okay, now the next thing on the list there is the market facilitation index. Okay, the market facilitation index, the volume is thick, the line width I choose 4 pixel. You can choose any pixel of your choice. Now the styles, you could see the settings I have here. The MFI up, volume up is green. The M5 down, volume down is black. Anywhere you can choose the color that you like, but this is the color I choose. Okay, now the next on the list is the commodity channel index. The commodity channel index. Okay, the period is 14. The apply to typical price, and the style, you see the color. I choose the yellow. You can choose any color of your choice. And these levels, we have the 100 and the -100. You can choose any color on the pixel of your choice. Okay, now let's go to how it work. How does this work? How does this work? Now this is an entry. We enter when we have the when we are having the red moving average. Actually, we are more focused on the red average and the levels on the commodity channel index and the average directional movement index. Okay, now the red line, when it is crossing over to the level of 20, that is when we're going to buy. And when we buy this, we're going to stay for a bit longer. Remember, this is not we don't use it, you don't use it for actually scalping, but you can scalp if you wish to scalp. Okay, you could see I'm on a 5 minute time frame. I can go on a higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame, okay, to analyze my market. Like this one, if you get signal in this level, you are actually on a good ride. Let us choose as example. This is a 1 hour time frame on boom and crash. So what do we look out for? Let me use an arrow to give you an instance. Okay, when the red line, which is the moving average, is crossing below the level of 10, look at the level 10 there, and in level of 10 in our average national movement index. Look at it, it's crossed the level of 10 here. We don't enter at this cross, guys. We don't enter at this cross. We have to wait for it to start to point up, that is, start to curve back up. So this is our entry, guys. Our entry is just right here. Sorry about that. Our entry is just right about when that level has crossed upward. Let me make it more bigger so you're going to see it really good. Okay, this is where we'll enter market. You can enter somewhere here. Okay, and that should be somewhere around here. And you can see what happened. It is actually moving up all the way. It's moved up all of the way. So if you enter at that point, where should be your take profit? The next high. You know what to take profit? You can take profit around here because of this high here. Okay, could take profits right there. Good, and that take profit should be somewhere here because of this high. Okay, next take profit. Sorry, the next take profit is above here for that high to be taken off. But once this has been meant on the 1 hour time frame, you know that is a complete reversal. Okay, this is a swing market. Swinging, you can use it to swing and make cool profit, guys. Really make good profit. Like I said earlier, when this cross happens at this point, with the 1 hour time frame, you are going to be staying for longer. Now let us check on the lower time frame, like the 30 or the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so at this point, we see we have taken so many entries right about in this one. Look at an entry here. Look at an entry here. Look at an entry at this point. That is when the market has it is not yet crossing the level of 10, but it is near it curving up. Remember that when the curving up is very important. It is curving upward, and here we enter our trade. Remember, we are on a high time frame of we are on the 15 minutes time frame. So each candle here is about is going for 15 minutes. So if you enter a market right about here, you should have taken like 2 to 3 candles, which is you know how it is. Okay, guys, if you understand this setup, guys, you are going to make the market. Okay, I tell you now. See it here play out. See another play out right here, guys. The market come over here. Okay, it did not, if it has curved up from this level of 10 without going more deeper, we shall enter the buy. But look at, it's actually touched the level of 10 here, did not curve up, it spiked lower, and now it is curving back up. So we are entering our market when it is curving back up, and look at what happened. Though it put back a little bit, but it gave us our market. Okay, that is how simple this is. Crash 500, vice versa for boom. Let us check on the boom. It works both on the boom and the crash, whether 1000 or step in, or where is it? You will see I'm in a trade here. You will see I'm in a trade right here. I'm in the buy trade. Okay, I'm in the buy trade at this moment. You will see that I'm buying this market. I'm on a buy market. You will see I'm buying right down there. You know, if you see my entry, you will see that I'm buying. I'm buying at this point. Look at it here. Okay, you can see I'm buying it. I'm buying on that market. I'm buying on the market here, and I'm in profit already. So that is how, guys, it work. You can use it for buying and for selling. Look at the crossing down here. It is coming down, the MA is going down and it's curving up, and you enter your buy. Look at it, it's doing well. Or if you check how many hours I've been in the market, going up and down, still ranging. I'm looking for it to go up higher. Okay, so that is how the setup really works, guys. So guys, I played you to check it on your demo account, test on your demo account, and practice in it. You can use it on a 5-minute time frame, you can use it on a 15-minute time frame, and 1 hour time frame. Any time frame you use it is that means how effective you stay in the market. Look at it here. See the selling signal here. The sell signal is here. It has gone up a bit, all of this upward, and it is now going down below the 100 commodity index. You see it here. You enter your sell, and right from there you are selling the market. Okay, so you can now at the buy level. Look at the buy level. Okay, it has crossed here, and boom, it buy. Let us check 5 minute time frame, so I can know that you can also trade it on 5-minute time frame, not only the high time frames as well. Okay, now the market is coming down. When the market actually come to level 10 and crossover, we are buying. But if we buy in this market, we don't want to stay longer, because the high time frame is saying is a sell. But when it's crossed over here, we're going to buy maybe for 3 candles, which you know how many minutes candle it will be. If you take 3 candles out of this time frame, yeah, you are taking something great. Okay, take something great. That is just how the setup works. It happens most of the time, guys. Okay, guys, if you want to join, please, guys, follow me on Facebook. I forgot to tell you guys my Facebook page. Okay, I will send the link to my Facebook page right in the video description, so you can click on it and follow me on Facebook. Okay, and let us move it to that place. You can join our Telegram group, and check on the video description. You will see the link to the Telegram group. You join also and get from free signals and all that. Okay, guys, new setup is coming up. Within the next week, we're gonna be having a new and fresh strategy to meet the market. Okay, HumbleFx signing out. Thank you so much and remain blessed.